Hi everyone. If you are new to crypto or just starting with Phantom Wallet, it is important to understand the seed phrase, also called the secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the key to your wallet and your digital assets. Today, we will explain how to create a Phantom seed phrase wallet and why keeping this phrase safe is critical for protecting your funds. The reason for creating a Phantom seed phrase wallet is to give us full ownership and control over our cryptocurrency. Phantom is a non-custodial wallet, so no company or third party holds our funds. We are fully in control. When we create a wallet, Phantom generates a unique seed phrase that acts as our backup and recovery key. This seed phrase lets us restore our wallet on any device if our phone or computer is lost, damaged, or if the app is deleted. Knowing how to create and secure this seed phrase helps keep our crypto safe and accessible only to us. Now let's go through the steps to create the recovery phrase on the Phantom wallet. First, open your browser. If you are using a desktop browser, just follow along. If you do not have the toolbar and the extensions yet, you can get them by clicking this download button or by going to the Chrome Web Store. Since we already have the toolbar and the extension, we just need to click it in the upper right corner of the browser. Click this button. Log in to the Phantom wallet by entering your password. Now we are in the Phantom wallet setup. To set up, go to your account. Click the mini logo of your account. Click this one. A pop-up bar will appear. Go to the settings. You can see it at the bottom part of the pop-up toolbar. Click this one. Next, go to Manage Accounts. Find the Manage Account option and click it. Then, click the account for which you want to create the seed phrase. For example, select this account for the seed phrase. You will see the option for the secret recovery phrase. Click this one. Enter your password here. Once you enter your password, you will see your recovery phrase. Click Continue. Then, click Understand and Continue. There you go. That is your recovery phrase. You can write it down or take a screenshot to remember it in case you delete your account by accident. Once you have saved it, click Done. And that is how we create a Phantom seed phrase wallet. Remember, the seed phrase is the most important part of the wallet. Never share it, never store it online, and always keep it in a safe, private place. Once the wallet is set up, we can start receiving crypto, send transactions, and explore decentralized apps confidently.